Good day, good love, and good light, illuminators. Thank you for joining me once again with this moment with the spirits of Gaia. Speaking their own languages of lights. So I have such a paradox here. As I got the eagle in the tree here, and to the left of me I've got the little tiny hummingbirds. Just a moment ago I could hear the eagle speaking to its mate, or perhaps its child, and I came running out to see, and there it was. I was going to try to zoom out really quick to see if I could catch the hummingbirds in time. So this is their time when they're pretty busy too over here. Whoops, where'd it go? There we are. They're pretty busy this time of the evening as well. It's their dinner time. It's very, very windy today, so I don't want to be too windy for you guys for the camera because it's really, really windy. Oops. Senatoshe, ilukorisa, tikilakia, satoshaneria, satopoliana, ilukosa, toshanara salia. Sero soniado con bolshonari silehana, kiliatara. Oh, Shakira. See, it's way too windy. Soro somariato ishnokorea, ilukoniamana, seto sonote, kalia sasasha. Seno toliandara shanaki. So there's the hummingbird feeder, and there's the eagle. Having trouble staying steady here. It's so windy out. I'm having trouble myself standing still. Ele gosta de generici. Ele kisonose sabaliana. Ele torisi nikila somalawaka. Isare siniki antosharisiwa lamara. I can hear the hummingbirds. Solo shavariata ilis natalia naniako. Solo sonote shalio maria. It's so windy. The wind gusts are so strong. It's like it's like practically blowing me over. So I'm having a hard time standing still. Inakilo sotoposhanari salikila intatikisa susomonea. Ila shonori sali itatinania sotosala. Ito shonora seki ishonose. Poroshono tokor amposali naniawa. Elu toreseneko antoshapalas tekisenese. Seno to mayana neawa la to ama sashatoko. Niso shamiawa oloama alitaya. So I was just responding to a message from one of my friends, Michelle, and she was talking about the crow, and then I heard the crow, and then I heard the eagle, and I ran outside with my camera, and I thought, wow, what a great synchronicity. And then the hummingbirds are here too, going back and forth. So it's this, once again, this beautiful alchemy of sound and light and frequency and energy and love. Ilakisa sopole oro soro ilakisa natela. Sera sono do casa to shoro sono. Seni ki ilisa nanayasha tose. Yeah, so amoa. And yet we feel sometimes so small. But yet look at the impact. Look at the impact. Just one being. One tiny bird. One very large bird. Did you see the hummingbird? It just flew right past me. He's like, sometimes if I sit really still, they'll come and land anyway. They get pretty used to me sitting here. So I was hoping with a little luck, they might anyway. Nishati Ilya Satose Sanato Sononia Satasha. So they keep flying back and forth. Oh, there's one. Oh, he keeps flying back and forth because they want me to stand back. Here, maybe I can just stay here. Let me stand back just a little bit. I'll zoom in and stand back, and then maybe they'll be a little bit more, a little happier to come to the feeder. But they fly all around me and around my head. And the wind is very strong today, so the sound of it just rushing through the trees, it has a music all of its own. Music has been such a dear, great part of my life. The symphony that rises within each of us as we hear a song we love, a sound we love. One of the knowing thyself steps in the Bashar self-love challenge is to listen to a sound and just be grateful for its sound. Listen to it and feel the connection that you have with it. Oh, the hummingbird was just there. Even as I hear the sound of the hummingbird wings, it literally sends a ripple through me. Ishnarikusamiasa itinarwa ana yuanuma ituriasa tashanera, as if in that brief moment it was sending me to another dimension. And now as the sun begins to set here soon, the sounds already are beginning of the critters and the creatures that come out in the night. Oh, I just love the way the sun dances off the leaves. These are light codes. This is love, unconditional love, getting your attention, speaking to you through the wind and the water and the rain, the mountains, the way the songs of the plants emit to us like a whistle that a dog can't hear it because it's such a high frequency, yet our bodies can hear it. We know. Activate this within you. Shed a light on your wishes. Bring them out into the light. Nayosanakalia. Nashemikiti kianania sotorsoroso. Sikishi sanitaleandoro sono baleandoro. Sorry for the unsteady hands again, guys. It's really windy out here. Semiyuashanoko aposata sala. Setisa. Feel the song. Wendy. Shinokoliasa. Eto sono sopa Eliana neawa lo solosha. Absolutely everything is a language of light, a song of source. Just as you have come to sing your song in whatever way that pleases you, to dance your dance, to light your light, to love your love, any way you choose, any way you desire. Feel the freedom that the eagle represents. Feel, once again, this higher vision, this higher perspective of knowing of your connectedness, that you are an antenna, a receiver, a transmitter, an emitter of love and light and energy. Constantly. You are constantly emitting an aura of song, an aura of light, just as the air moves through. You are light, moving through light. Nishimiyaro samota kelandoro, nikorasha sanatela. Yes, Anoa. Hear the chirp of the hummingbird. No sona kalakatea. Shumaria sona amonani awa oa. Both I am in awe of. the minute and the magnificent for each are great. Each are magnificent. It's not the size of who you are. It's not the quantity of those that you know. It is the quality of what you emit to creation, the gratitude. Nasoleama. Lesero sono torche paya ano akalako. Nisipo santor soda miuro. Once again, allow the winds of change to flow through your frequency, your being, your light body, to remind you once again of your connectedness to all things great and small. Naiwakala. Shanotere. Through all these creatures' eyes, you can see, experience what they experience, see what they see their vantage point, see their perspective. Shimaki, Sanisa, Solima, Noniawa, Lo Kerosona, Shayua, Sinasa, everything is just a different perspective. Nashuri Himawa, Kalwanyara, Sule. Each perfect, no anya. Yashuakia. What is the song of your soul? What is your divine perspective? What aura? What gratitude? What light are you emitting to the world? What are you accepting? What are you receiving? What dial are you turning? What frequency? What music do you want to hear? Mishilano Sonora Shelunga, Lida, Tinala, Tinala Lahe. I hear the other eagle nearby. Nashawa. Sinatisa Natoama. Tokwa. Shakorase mi. No Nina. No Nakalunda Katoshe. Sonotoyi. The hummingbird is resting on the tree, waiting for me to move. Oh, where'd he go? How does such a small, tiny creature withstand these giant winds? Yet it does. It sails. It soars on the wind. Oh, there was two of them. Okay, I'll stand back a little. Ni aniasa tashoa katisala. Maniako asatasono toko. Shalononi na waluko masatasala. Enasha. Embrace your change. Embrace your vantage point. Love your perspective. And know that you can change your perspective at any time. No amo akasha. Yuaya sonotori kelana nake. Sepo torashinate la sanala kataya. Sono soto show kayamala. La sanata kayu. Moshano koyandara kalatero. Nashamo sano kalato. Nima. Ina sono toko yasha saite. Neko. Neshkola nani. No sono to shekalato. Nasho. Patience is just a state of being. You create the idea of patience. Nakuana. They both remind us that there is no time except that which we create. No anokwa, pasora, shonokwa. all in perfect timing. Your own perfect timing. No atua na kalaso. Shoro kelanta. Nakalinta ko masha na se. Se tu ko asanu palakora. Mishina tilama solo kelo lotelo sono shamalauro. Sinotua. Rediscover yourselves. Love thyself by knowing thyself, by listening. Just listen. Nilakonia. Hamatosho niaroha. Ah, the other eagle. I hear it. Nashoku. So does Ranger. No aga. No shoa. Nelimiaso shano kala. Sateko shanoa. Se lasina shakwakala. New shonoa. Call your twin flame. For it is you. It is you, and only until you see your own divine reflection will you find all that you are. Nakashniasotashe. Nasilu luama shatuaka. Tatelo nima. Shoro sono koyashanate kia salasa. Shono kumba shonote he. And look now how small that creature appears. Nakwana. Anuasatoshana. You are as great or as small as you believe yourselves to be. Mashanakia. You could be the drop, and you can experience yourself as the ocean. Either way. Either way. You are the same. Mashaniato. Amakonatasha ananea. Pate kala. Nashemonoya salumaya. Mikani salo shoto. Yashonia. Blessings, beautiful ones. Inasatishia. All you desire is here and now. for the all that is, that knows itself in the now. Otosheki.